Okay, good morning. Yes, good morning. So, this is your science class, right? And previous classes, we already started the exercise part of this ninth chapter, Animals Around Us, right? Animals Around Us. So, in this chapter, we learned about some animals who are around us, and hope I gave a homework about the gathering some examples about wild animals, right? Hope you remembered it and you completed this homework. Answer me. Have you completed? Have you gathered the answer examples of wild animals? Very good. Very good. Who gathered it? Very good. So take your copy book with you, because the exercise part which we already started, today you have to answer me because you already completed, right? So here first we have to start with question E, because up to D we completed in those offline videos. Hope you saw those videos, right? Yes. So let's start with question number E. Question 1, that is, what are birds? What are birds? So tell me what are birds, and everyone I have to I want to answer from everyone, okay? So tell me about what are birds. That thing I already taught you. Some Debayan gave the answer. Some animals have wings and they can fly. They are called birds. Very good. When you get this type of questions, if you know any examples, you can give any one examples with your definition. Okay, that would be very good answer. Yes, Zareen, very good. So birds are animals that can fly. Birds have wings to fly in the air. Very good. Sparrow, very good. Very good, Debayon. And others? Kaustov, Darsh. I want answer from everyone. Mahian, Devdeep, Imon, Minajuddin. I want answer from everyone. Rishan, Rishabh. Give me answer. I am waiting. Yes. Very good, Darsh. Give me one example. Very good. Very good, Rishabh, Rishan, Kaustav, Devdeep, Mahian, Minajuddin. Where are yours? Yes, very good, very good. But Minajuddin, you just write here some animals with wings, not any other things. You have to write it in full, right? Write it in full. So here you can see some animals have wings and those can fly. Those animals can fly. those are we call the birds, right? Those are we call birds. So okay. Okay everyone, so I'm writing here some animals have wings and they can fly in the air. Those we called birds, right? Those we called birds. And example is pigeon, crow, sparrow, duck, kiwi. So there are a lot of examples and etc. Because there are a lot of examples of birds. Okay. Okay. Now go to the next questions. Name two animals that live both land and in water. That's too easy, right? Some animals. Yes, very good Debayon. Frog, snake, crocodile are lived on land in water. Very good. Very good. Imandas why left? Very good. Mahian, Zareen. Frog, crocodile, duck. Very good. Kaustav, Rishan, Darsh, Mahian. Very good. So name two animals that live both land and water. And you give me frogs. I'm writing here. I am erasing this question number 1. Okay. And we are going for question number 2. That examples. And they are frog, duck, crocodile, snake, tortoise. So here are a lot of examples that we already learned, right? Tortoise, snake, crocodile, frogs and ducks. So those animals can live both water and land. Very good everyone. You read this chapter very attentively, right? Very good. Now go to the question number F. Tick the correct answers. So here you see a small butterfly in your balcony. What will you do? Here is your option. Catch it, harm it, watch and enjoy its activity. So tell me, what will you do? That's a valuable question. Debayon, what is FC? Okay, you give the option number. Here write it in full sentence. Mahian and Debayon, not in shortcut. It's too easy, one line answer. Catch and enjoy its activity. Watch. Okay, very good. Darsh, Devdeep, Zia, Debayon, very good. Because their butterfly is a small insect and its color are very beautiful, right? We can see there are lots of colors on their wings and they are very colorful insect. So if we catch it, they will be so sad, right? If we catch it. and if we harm it, they will get hurt. So don't harm any animals. That thing you already learnt and hope you remember this, you follow this. So don't harm any animals. And the last is watch and enjoy its activity. Very good. When we saw those butterfly that they fly one tree to another tree, one flower to another flower, and they just fly, and sometimes they sit on the flower. So that's activities are very enjoyable, right? So enjoy and watch and enjoy its activity. This is option C. Watch and enjoy its activity, right? Yes, very good everyone, very good. You all gave the correct answer. Now here we completed question E and F today, and the previous days in the offline classes I already gave the answer. I already told the answer from question A to question D, right? So today I will ask that how much you remember those answers. So just give me answer only. Okay, just give me answer only. So let's start with question A. A fish is an example of. Here the tick the correct answers, and you know there are questions with 3 options. You have to choose correct one. So open your book at page number 39. Page number 39 and answer me. That things you already completed. So a fish is an example of pet animal, land animal, water animal. So tell me. Yes, that is water animal. Water animal. Very good. Question 2. Animals that live in or around our homes are called water animals, pet animals, wild animals. So question 2. Give me answer. Yes, so that is pet animals. Very good. That is pet animals. So those animals who live around our homes, those are we called pet animals. Very good. Next, which bird cannot fly? Which bird cannot fly? Give me answer. Very good. It's kiwi. Very good. So question 3 is kiwi. So here we completed those 3 questions and answer. Now question B. Circle the odd ones which you know already, that you have to circle the odd ones which are not similar with rest of 2. So question 1, octopus, fish, dog. Yes, very good. You already gave the answers before my questions. Very good. So it's dog. Because dog is a land animal, but octopus and fish are water animals. Next 2. Very good, Zarin. You gave the reason. Rabbit, butterfly and ant. Rabbit, butterfly and ant. Mahian said butterfly. Why, Mahian? Give me reason. And why rabbit? Others say rabbit. Debayon, rabbit, butterfly and both those all 3 are animals. But butterfly and ant are very small animals. That's why we call them. Oh, Mahian, it's your that butterfly can fly and others too cannot fly. That's good. But butterfly ant are insects. Butterfly and ant are insects, and rabbit are land animals. Rabbit is a big animal too. Yes. So here, but rabbit. Rabbit, because rabbit is land animal, but butterfly and ants are insect. Next, match the following question C. So tell me which animals are following of which category. So ant, dog, duck, there are name of those animals, and there are the categories, right? Bird, insect and land animals. So tell me which Zareen and Kaustubh already gave the answer at ant, insects. Okay, the shed, ant, insect, dog, land animals, duck, bird. Very good. As this is so easy that ant, dog, duck. Ant, dog, duck. Yes. Ant is insect, which I already told. Dog is land animal. And duck is bird. Duck is bird. Yes, very good. Now go to the question number D. Dash are very small animals. Only give the answer with the mentioning question nong. I am now erasing it. Give the answer with mention the question nong, like this. D1. So first mention the question number 1, then answer it, because I could not understand what things you answered me. Dash are very small animals. Yes, very good Rishabh and Debayon. Rishan, very good Kaustubh. Iman, which things I just tell you? Devdeep, mention your question number. Pets are very small animals. Mention your question number. Very good. So this is insect. Insects are very small animal. Insects are very small animal. Next, we should treat our dash with love. We should treat our, yes, pets. We should treat our pets with love. Question 3. Birds have dash to fly in air. Birds have dash to fly in air. Yes, so that's wings. Question 3. Wings. Birds have dash to fly in air. Birds have wings to fly in air. Very good. And question 4. We see wild animals in a dash. We see wild animals in a zoo. Very good. Very good. So we completed the text part, exercise part both in this chapter. Okay. And next day, from the tomorrow, we will start the next chapter in your offline videos. So everyone, you have to see those all videos in your YouTube. Okay. Okay. So we have to, we will proceed the next chapter, the next class. And who are, that's all for today everyone. Who are present today, write here P only. I will take the attendance. Write here P once, okay? Only once.